This is Kamo Mabinza, the District Director for Mkongolobo District. We are here today as part of our own program as Department of Education to strengthen curriculum delivery. And for today, in fact, starting yesterday, it's a planning session for the branch curriculum delivery. And for us, what is key amongst any other thing is the fact that we are discussing strategies of how to strengthen curriculum, how to make sure that what is delivered in the classroom has an impact, and that strategies to ensure that learners are able to be directed such that learning outcomes are improved. And I think what is key amongst other things is that we are discussing strategies of strengthening the base, and whilst we are strengthening the base, we are also discussing on how to make sure the learners that are in the middle are also given the necessary support that is specific to them and to their needs and their abilities. And further than that, I've listened to some of the commissions. Discussions are such that even learners that are deemed to be high flyers, we need to strengthen their capacity, make sure that they are molded such that at least we are able to get to the 100% that we need and increase distinctions and bachelor passes. But one key driver is the fact that we want to, at least as a system, eliminate the higher certificates to the extent we can. Yes, they are there, but to the extent possible, we eliminate them, but also bit by bit try to reduce the diploma passes and move more towards the distinction and bachelor passes. So that's the resolve. And I think as a system, we are very much clear and we are resolute. And we are confident that out of this program, we are going to come up with better strategies. And you would know that the province is working so hard and currently is the province that is leading the country. And we can't drop the ball now. What is very key is a common purpose, a drive for a collective wisdom, sharing of ideas, working together and taking the district, the province forward, whilst also ensuring that the capacity at the level of districts and schools is taken care of, and that teacher ability and teacher capacity is also taken care of.